Alright, hello everybody. Just want to go over with you one of our vignettes we do showing you how to use some of the platforms that we talk about here at Cyber Trading University. Again, you can see us at cybertradinmuniversity.com. This is the ThinkorSwim platform. I just wanted to go over with some people how to create a watch list, how to export a watch list, and then how to go from a watch list into a chart. And so what you can do here is if you want to export a watch list, well, first let's start with to create a watch list. This little wrench here, click on this little wrench, and then this will open up to create a new watch list. And you can name this test list, just for now. And you can go in here and then you could put in, IBM, Google, Apple, and then hit save. And then I have this test list, okay? That will generate a watch list for you, and then every time you want to go in and view that list, you can simply come in here to the wrench and go to personal, and you'll see where it says test list. Right? I'm gonna leave this ETF list up here because it's a series of ETFs that I like to follow. If you wanted to export this list, go over here to this bubble that says print and export, click down to export. Now this can bring you into a page that you can either save it as a web page or as a CSV file. So you can put this into a Word doc and hit export. It will save. Now I can open up my documents and you can see I have got this watch list. Boom, here it is. Everything that was in that ETF list, the last price, and the bid ask at that time when I took the screenshot. So let me minimize that and go back to the application. So now, if you've got a watch list, remember I'm talking a little fast, but we also have this recorded. So what you do is you go over to the ThinkorSwim charts, and you see these little rectangles, these little squares. Now you have a watch list. You can link them red here, and I'm just going to use red here. Click on this red, and now anytime I click here, it will bring me over to the chart of my list. And you can do this for anything you want. You can create multiple lists, so you can come over here and this can be yellow, and you can do two side-by-side charts. This one can link to the yellow one, and this one can be linked to your red one. So just really quickly, we went over just to talk about getting a watch list established, exporting the watch list, and then being able to link our watch list to some charts. Hopefully that helps you guys in terms of being able to find your watch list or create one or import-export watch lists, and be able to then very quickly go through those lists in the ThinkorSwim charts. If any more questions, please check us out at cybertradinmuniversity.com or support at ctucorp.com is the email.